Welcome. In this module, I'll show how cluster users interact with the Platform Application Center to run applications and manage jobs. I'll start by logging into the cluster as a regular user. Once logged in, I can view and manage my own jobs. I have several jobs running as we see here. Application-centric interfaces are a powerful feature of the Platform Application Center. I'll select Submission Forms to show applications that I have access to. The applications I see depends on my role. I'll show how we control access in later modules. I'm going to run a short Fluent simulation. I run Fluent often, so I've created my own templates reflecting commonly selected options. This helps me save time and avoid repetitive tasks. I'll select one of these templates. Notice that the form's been pre-populated for me. Console support is turned on because this application has graphical output, as we'll see in a moment. I can save changes to this template or create a new template if I wish. I'll scroll down and select my Fluent input files. To run Fluent, I need to supply a journal file and a case file. Interfaces like this can be made entirely self-documenting. This reduces the need for training and helps prevent errors. I can upload files from my local system or access files already on the server. By providing access to server-side files, we avoid moving very large data sets across our network. I'll select the journal file on the server. And I'll upload my case file the same way. Now I'm ready to run the simulation. My Fluent job called Nozzle Simulation is waiting to be scheduled. The files I specified have been moved to the data repository where all files associated with the job will reside. I'll look at the jobs view. I've configured these Fluent jobs to be able to preempt less important jobs so that they'll generally run right away. After a moment, 2 other jobs are suspended to allow the dual CPU job to run. The Platform Application Center has built-in support for both VNC and HPRGS to provide remote access to cluster hosts. I'll click on the console icon to watch the simulation run live. And I see the simulation is running. This type of functionality makes engineers more productive. They can maintain multiple sessions to multiple different applications at the same time. I'll disconnect the remote console and let the simulation continue. I can also monitor progress by viewing or tailing output files in real time. I'll look at the .out file in my job directory. And here I see the result for each of the iterations in my model. While this simulation continues to run, I'll look at job data associated with another simulation that's already complete. This is data from a job I ran a few weeks ago. The Platform Application Center makes it easy to view and share my data selectively with other users and members of my project team using shared data directories. I want to package up all these files and share them with a colleague. And I'll zip them up into a single file. And now I can move the file to the shared directory. I've shown in this demonstration how cluster users can be made more productive with easy-to-use interfaces. Users can directly access applications on the server, manage their data, and collaborate with others. In the next demonstration, I'll show how administrators can create interfaces like the one I've just shown and easily integrate and test their own applications. Thank you very much.